How is the market in Highlands Ranch? Hey, it's Sean Reddy, Keller Williams Reddy Group. Each and every week, we discuss from a statistical standpoint the answer to the question that I get asked the most as a realtor out and about in the community is, hey, Sean, how's the market? And I don't like to answer that in generalities, so we're going to do it with data. And we're going to start with an overview of what's transpired in the Highlands Ranch real estate market within the last 7 days. So first and foremost, 23 new listings have hit the market, mostly single family homes, yet it is inclusive also of condos and townhomes as well. In fact, this whole list is. So 23 within the last 7 days. There's also 5 that are labeled as coming soon. So that's 28 homes to market. And then 2 fell out of contract and are now back on the market. So 30 homes either have come back to market, or are coming to the market very soon. Flip side of that, 40 homes went under contract in the last 7 days. So we are in the kind of peak season for real estate sales activity. So you see new listings go under contract quickly. You also see homes that have been sitting out there a little while also start to go under contract as well. 1 home withdrew from the market, and 4 listings came to a conclusion without selling and expired off the market. So that's 45 homes that came off the market in the last week compared to just 30 that came on. So we are, once again, as usual, upside down. Another note, 16 homes closed in the last 7 days. So as we drill down, we're actually going to start there. Let's take a look from a statistical standpoint how these home sales went. So these closed for anywhere from $501,000 to $1.2 million, with an average of $735,000, almost $736,000, and a median of $694 and change. They took an average of 6 days to sell. In fact, the longest any of them was on was for 16 days. Shortest was 2. Median time on market on those was 4 days. So you can imagine with those quick selling times, there wasn't a big spread between asking price and close price. In fact, if you look at the average asking price, $729, we'll call it, with the average close price $735, the average of these 16 homes achieved a sale price 1.1% higher than its asking price. Let's go back to now the homes that went under contract in the last 7 days. Again, there were 40 of them. See if things have slowed down at all from that torrid pace on the close side. Okay. The answer is yes. Of the 40 homes that went under contract, they took an average of 17 days to do so, median of 7. One was on for 0 days, one was on for a whopping 272 days. Asking price on these homes anywhere from $550 to $1.525 million, with an average of $824 and change and a median of $727 and change. So now let's take a look at those new listings. See what these guys look like. All right, you can see a lot of these went from coming soon to active. It looks like probably more than half of them. Which, by the way, coming soon won't show any days on market until it is active. So the 23 new listings that hit the market in the last 7 days, not paying attention to days on market because obviously came to market in the last 7 days. Asking anywhere from $595 to $1.75 million, average of $985 and change, and a median of $860. And the last thing that we'll look at, data set that we'll look at, are these 5 coming soon homes. These are the new, not yet on the market. You can find them online though. These are asking anywhere from $875 to $1.7 million, with an average of $1.06 million and a median of $900,000. So there you have it. Obviously, those homes that closed in the last week, they went fast. And the homes that went under contract, while a huge number of 40, starting to go a little bit slower. And we got to, expect that's due to more on the market, giving buyers more choices to look at, and also the interest rate environment that we've crept back into the sevens within the last few weeks. So there, again, there you have it. We do this every single week. I kind of have slipped the last couple weeks, only doing it once or twice in the last month maybe. Yet expect to see it every single week. And again, Sean Reddy, Keller Williams Reddy Group. If you have any questions on your specific neighborhood and how it's performing, or your street, or your home itself, let me know. Drop a comment, and would love to geek out over stats with you. Thanks again. We'll see you next week.